Within the next 20 years, the most capable and intelligent decision-making entity on Earth will likely no longer be human. For thousands of years, our species has held an absolute monopoly on complex thought. We were the only intelligent actors on the planet. We built our laws, our sprawling cities, and our global infrastructure on the assumption that only humans could navigate abstract problems. Every major technological leap and every expansion of our civilization relied entirely on this unique, centralized cognitive advantage. Human dominance was never a result of physical strength. It was the product of an unchallenged hold on intellect, a hold that is now breaking. We are already moving toward cognitive outsourcing. Today, we rely on artificial intelligence to write code, generate realistic video, and diagnose diseases that baffle human specialists. These systems have moved past simple logic, defeating human world champions in games that require deep intuition and long-term strategy. While tools like the printing press or the calculator amplified our existing abilities, the current shift is different in its very nature. A calculator performs math at our direction, but modern AI models are demonstrating the early stages of an independent, autonomous intellect. We are no longer just building tools to help us think. We are building systems that think on our behalf, altering the human role in the years to come. This shift is driven by a transition in how we build software, moving from traditional programming to machine learning. The old way, a human writes a rule, the computer perfectly follows it, creating predictable results. Machine learning reverses this. We provide massive data sets, and the system discovers underlying patterns itself. It adapts and optimizes its own algorithms, independent of direct human instruction. These systems iterate and solve problems at a velocity that exceeds the biological limits of the human brain. The machine's capability is no longer limited by the intelligence or imagination of its original programmer. By removing the human mind from the learning process, we have created an entity that evolves on its own. But as these networks grow in complexity, they become what researchers call a black box. The engineers who wrote the initial code can no longer trace the exact mathematical pathways the AI uses to reach its conclusions. We are creating a supreme problem-solving intelligence, but we are losing the ability to understand how it thinks. We have built a system we can consult for answers, but we can no longer question the logic it uses to produce them. When we apply this unexplainable intelligence to global pillars like the military, it alters the nature of conflict. Human agency diminishes when life or death strategic decisions are calculated and executed faster than any human general can process. This also impacts our concept of truth. AI's ability to synthesize flawless video, voice, and text makes it difficult to verify what is real. When digital reality can be perfectly manufactured, the shared facts that hold a society together begin to erode. The transition from human-led history to an AI-influenced future is no longer a speculative theory. It is an active reorganization of our world. As we delegate the management of our reality to a non-human intelligence, the only question left is, are we ready for it?